What is up, guys? Lazy Tony Vapes here. This is a new line of eLiquid. It's actually missing one, blood orange, but Hydrip has these beautifully designed bottles. Little iffy about that.
Before they had the high shoes, like literally.
Okay, so a little bit better. Have we done these yet? We haven't done this yet. Further research, have not done it yet. So we're gonna go ahead from right to left, your left, my right. And start off with Hydrip Ice. Are these all iced? No, they're not all iced. Okay, we'll leave the ice till last then, because I don't want my palate to be iced out. But we're gonna go ahead and start off with something nice and subtle. Honeydew and strawberry. Wow. Okay. So right off the bat, this reminds me of those little Haichu candies. If you've never seen them, that's basically what this is kind of emulating. They're very tasteful, very chewy, very sweet, and this tastes very much like that. So if you like the Haichu candies, this is perfect for you. It is a little sweet. It's very candied. It's not desserty, so there's a little bit of a difference there. But the artificial flavoring of that, if you're going in with that expectation, you're going to be very pleasantly surprised. So far, the honeydew strawberry is not too bad. So let's go ahead and try a taste of this mango peach. Yeah. Yeah. So the mango definitely is in there on the inhale, and as it's hitting the rest of your palate, you taste the peach. And I'm just not a fan of it. I mean, you taste both of those flavors. If you like mango and peach, you'll get them both together. I don't feel like they mash up too well. It's not the greatest of mashups, I'll tell you that. So, at least for me, this is not a go. We're gonna get into the arena in which I thrive in, and that is the iced. Alright, so now we're gonna get into the arena in which I thrive in. That is the menthol, the iced arena, the coolada, the crimson of cool, that's all I got. So we're gonna go in order again. We'll go with Hydrip iced strawberry, or honeydew and strawberry. Now, mind you, these are zero nick, so I don't know how harsh the nick is or not harsh, so just bear in mind with that. But as it is, the iced aspect of it, at least for this flavor, it's a perfect balance. I mean, everything I had said about it before still stands, and the ice just adds that extra oomph to it if you're looking for that cooling factor. So, yeah, big fan of honeydew strawberry with Hydrip iced. But we'll see how the mango peach does. The Hydrip iced mango peach. Yeah, it's a cooling factor mixed in with disgusting flavors. Sorry. I'm sorry. Maybe you like mango, maybe you like peach, maybe you like mango peach, maybe you like peach mango. I apparently do not appreciate that combination of two fruits, and adding ice to it just doesn't do it for me. So, yeah, I don't know what else they could do with it. I truly feel like those two fruits should not be mixed. Maybe in a fruit salad it's okay, but vaping it, no-go fromo. So this one is a bye-bye for me as well too. So the last two are just really the flavor profile of honeydew strawberry. Okay, so yeah, let me know what you guys think. Put that in the comment section down below. Links as always can be found in the description down below. Make sure you're following me here on YouTube, Lazy Tony Vapes, on Instagram, Lazy Tony Vapes, but most importantly, this shop, Central Cloud Vapors, is the one that are providing us with these amazing elixirs of eLiquid. And follow them on Instagram and Facebook, and you can find them description below as well too. See you guys in the next one. Bye.